How to make fresh Vietnamese shrimp and pork spring rolls at home. Vietnamese shrimp and pork spring rolls are a refreshing and traditional dishes known for their vibrant presentation and clean flavors. With just a few simple ingredients like rice paper, boiled shrimp, pork belly, and vermicelli, and fresh herbs, you can easily make this dish at home. It's quick, nutritious, and doesn't require fancy cooking skills. So soft rice paper wrap around a flavorful mixed shrimp, pork, and herbs perfectly paired with a sweet and sour dipping sauce. The rolls are perfect for a light, healthy meal. Each roll is a mini work of art, tasty and eye-catching. Both kids and adults love them. You can also customize the filling with ingredients like eggs, mushroom, or tofu. Making sweet rolls with family or friends adds fun and connection to the mealtime. Try it today and enjoy the freshness in every bite.